Ugh. Bird just hit the window. I have it trapped. See if it's dead. Ugh. It's not dead. How's it going, bird? How's it going? How's it going? Are you okay? You hit that window pretty hard. I'm not sure if it's dead. No, he's alive. Yes, what? Okay. Well, if you're okay. Yeah, the shark's just gonna eat you. What is this bird doing? I know you hit the window pretty hard, but like, are you okay? You okay? You okay? Come on, go, fly away. Fly away. Fly away. Fly away. Fly away. Go. Go.